with chefs around the country tucking it into sandwiches, dousing it in hellaciously spicy Nashville pepper seasoning, or glazing it with Korean hot sauce. Fried chicken is everywhere right now, and while the possibilities are endless when it comes to what you can do with this bird, big chains like KFC and Popeyes are synonymous with fried chicken. But a smaller North Carolina-based chain called Bojangles has a fiercely loyal following in the South.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner, better yet, all three. EBCs always satisfy my tummy.
You may never even have heard of it, but devoted fans from Virginia to Tennessee will tell you, it's fried chicken royalty.
It's bow time!
I would eat at Bojangles before I'd eat at probably any other fast food place if I had the choice.
You've got your 5 choices: Cajun, unseasoned, fries, unseasoned, dirty rice, pinto beans, done.
When it comes to the menu, Bojangles isn't exactly reinventing the wheel. Fried chicken and biscuits are the chain's staple items, along with sides like mashed potatoes, dirty rice, Cajun pinto beans, and mac and cheese. In fact, nearly everything that Bojangles serves can also be had at KFC or Popeyes. So why are Bojangles fans so obsessed?
It's like heaven, I think.
The inside's really juicy and it's just the outside's really crispy. Can't really stop eating it once you start.
It pulls a lot from Creole and Cajun cuisine. Your grandma can eat it.
Perfect when you're hungover. I throw hot sauce on it because I like it really spicy.
When the Washington Post did a fast food biscuit taste test and rated Bojangles near the bottom of the list, North Carolina Senator Tom Tillis took to Twitter to drag the paper, saying its taste testers needed to have their taste buds checked. Bojangles touts its chicken as being fresh, never frozen, and it's marinated for 12 hours before being hand-breaded and deep-fried. The biscuits, meanwhile, are made with special care. Every location has a full-time employee who's solely dedicated to making biscuits. The training for the role is intense, and bakers even have to sign a contract promising to protect the Bojangles recipe. Making the biscuits from scratch involves a whopping 48 separate steps, and on average, each restaurant bakes 945 of them every day. A new batch is baked every 20 minutes to guarantee customers always get fresh biscuits. Fried chicken lovers who have a Bojangles within driving distance should consider themselves lucky. As for the rest of us, we'll just have to squeeze a meal of chicken and biscuits into our next road trip through the South.